Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to swap variables in Python. As we all know, to declare a variable, we give the variable name is equal to and give the option and give the value for that variable. So now let us see how to swap the integer variables in Python. Now let us give a value for a which is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Now we are going to swap a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20 without assigning directly. Let's see the technique how to do that. Now let us create a variable named temp, which is a temporary variable, and we give temp is equal to a. Then we assign a is equal to b and b is equal to temp. Now when I print a and then b, and let me check the output now. Now it will be printing 20 and then 10. See, the orders have been changed. That's because the value for a at first is 10 and b is 20. Now temp will be is equal to a, that is temp is equal to 10, and in the next step a will be is equal to b, that is a is equal to what's b here, 20, right? And in the next step b will be is equal to temp. What is temp? 10. So that's how we have swapped two variables successfully. Now let us see how to swap three variables. Let us keep x is equal to 1, y equals 2, and then z is equals 3. Now let's create a temporary variable and give temp is equal to x, and x becomes y becomes z, and z becomes temp. Now when I print x, y and z, it won't print 1, 2, 3. Instead, let us check the output. See, it prints 2, 3 and 1. So what has happened is 2 has been assigned to x, and then see, temp is equals 1, and then x will be equal to y, which is 2, y will be equal to z, which is 3, and then temp will be equal to and then z will be equal to temp, which is 1. So 2, 3, 1 has printed. Now let's try to swap the variables using arithmetic operations, addition and subtraction. Let's take a is equal to 3 and b equals 4. Now I assign a is equal to b plus a, and then b is equal to a minus b, and then b is equal, and then a is equal to a minus b. Same. Okay. Now let me try to print a comma b. It will print 4 and 3, not 3, 4. See? Right? It prints 4 and 3. Okay? What happened here is, here I assign a is equal to b plus a, which means 7, right? 5, 6, 7. And in the next step, b is equal to a minus b. Now here a is 7. He has become 7, right? So 7 minus what is b? B is same 4. Now it becomes 6, 5, 4 and 3. Okay. Now I'm again assigning a is equal to a minus b. What is a here? 7. And then b is 3. So the answer will be 4, right? So now b has become 3 and then a has become 4. This is how we have swapped using arithmetic operations. Let's take a is equal to 2, b equals 3, and then c equals 4. Now what I am doing is I'm gonna say a is equal to b plus a plus c. I'm adding all the three variables here, and then I'm assigning b is equal to a minus b minus c, and then c will be is equal to a minus b minus c, and then same goes for a. Now what happens here is, at first in a we give b, which is 3, plus a, which is 2, and then plus c, which is 4. So the answer will be 6 and 9. Okay, now the answer will be 9, right? And then in the second step I'm giving b is equal to a. The value of a now is 9 minus b, and then minus c, which is 4, and I get the answer 9, 8, 7, 6, and then minus 4, which becomes 2, right? And in the next step, c is equal to a minus, what is a is 9, and minus b is 2, and then c is 4. So now again I get the answer, and then I get the answer 9 and 8 and 7. Okay, here, okay, so we are minusing 9 and 2, 8, 7, and then 6, 5, 4, 3. And then in the next step, a becomes a minus, now a is 9, right? And then b becomes 2, then again c becomes 3. Okay, so now the answer will be 9 minus 2, which is 7, and 7, 6, 5, and 4. So it is swapped successfully. So here b became 2. If I write in order, a became 4, b became 2, and then c became 3. C became 3. Okay, now let's try to print these outputs. Print a, b, c. Now let's check the output. It should print 4, 2, 3. Okay, so now we have learned how to swap variables using the temp method and arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Happy coding!